The third law of motion is action-reaction or interaction. Sabi dito sa action-reaction mo, sa kada force, merong isang force na equal in magnitude pero opposite in direction. Okay? So ito po yung reason kung bakit nakakalipad yung mga rocket natin. No? Common left item po yan. No? Rocket ships natin nakakalipad dahil yung fumes, yung gas ay nagpo-push downward, yung rocket natin is pushed upwards. Yung ating mga fish, okay, nakakagalaw sila sa tubig dahil as they push the water backwards, their bodies are pushed forward. Ang second law of motion po natin, bago natin punta ng law of gravitation, sinabi ko na po kanina, this is your law of acceleration. Sabi po ng law of acceleration mo, force, yung F equals ma, no? Force equals mass times acceleration. Ibig sabihin, kung gusto mong mas maging matulin ang isang bagay, no, dapat mas puwersahan mo siya. Yan po yung pinapakita ng ating item number 2. Kung mas mabigat ang isang bagay, dapat mas malaki din ang puwersang gagamitin natin. Okay? So, of gravitation naman po, there is an attraction between masses. No? So, yung attraction na yan would be equal to the products of their masses. The bigger their masses, the more attracted they are to each other. Okay? But here, letter B po ang ating hinahanap.